Hey, my name is Jordan, also known as Silky. I'm dealing out the news ever so quickly. This is the new season of CCA TV, so expect some humor and originality.
1, 2, 3. Here we go. Hey, it's Dahlia, but you could call me Dalla. Need a new host, so Brad gave us a holla. Call us Wiggle, cause the season's getting hotter. Thank you, CCA. It will be our honor. So once again, this is how we be.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Dahlia, and this is CCA TV.
Season 19.
Good morning, CCA. It finally stopped raining. So that's the end of our episode. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week. Stay dry, CCA.
Dahlia, what are you doing? We just started the episode. Why are you ending it there?
That's all we have. I mean, I didn't really finish the script, you know, because I'm not that good at writing.
Well, it sounds like you need the writers' conference.
The conference is on February 23rd at CCA from 8 to 4 p.m.
Any high school students are welcome to come. The conference is free and lunch is provided. You can go to our website, which is ccawritersconference2019.weebly.com, where you can read about the conference and also see what speakers are going to be there.
If you're interested in writing in any form for any purpose, you should come to the conference. It's a really cool experience.
The Promise is a student-written and student-directed original opera production written by 4 members of Vocal Conservatory.
Originally we were tasked to make a musical, but I was reading a Grimm's fairy tale, and that was basically the inspiration for this opera.
We've done operas in the past. We've done a lot of multi-movement works. We've done a bunch of huge shows, but this is the first time that we've been able to do an opera completely written and directed and produced and promoted by students. This is a project that's taken them over 2 years to write, and they did it completely without my help.
People should come watch it because it's an original opera. It has never been done before, and it is family friendly, and we also have put so much hard work into it.
The opera is February 19th at 4:30 p.m. and February 21st at 7.
Hey, Jordan, do you have any plans for next year?
Yeah, actually, I plan to run against Kanye in the elections. What about you?
Actually, in the summer, I'm going on the 2020 Europe trip.
Nice.
We are going to Switzerland. We are going to Italy, we are going to Spain, and we're going to the south of France. 4 countries, so if you are a first-time traveler and you want to check 4 countries off your bucket list, this is the trip.
What I love about these kinds of trips is the bonding that happens over a funny experience or the memories we didn't know we were going to make.
Like going on the buses every day and getting to hang out with them and learn more about them as people and not just as teachers. My favorite part was Milan, Italy. We saw the Duomo de Milan, which was this beautiful cathedral, and we also went to a couple of street markets in France, which were really cool.
Trip is happening in the summer of 2020.
So whoever is interested or have an idea or something, I hope you guys have a chance to take that big opportunity. It's amazing.
The meeting for this trip is Tuesday, February 12th in Mr. Black's room, F202 at 6 o'clock. Bring your folks, bring your best friend, bring that person you've always wanted to travel with, and we'll have an adventure of a lifetime.
A senior has been spotted emerging from his car. He enters the school at exactly 10:33. The senior now approaches the campus. He is faced with the tough decision. He could make it to his 3rd period class, but will he? No, not today. He returns to his car. Another day won by senioritis.
Hey, what's wrong?
What isn't wrong, Jordan? Sweet Victory didn't play for long enough. This was the least scoring game in all of Super Bowl history, and Tom Brady is the new Michael Jordan of the NFL. So yeah, my life is falling apart pretty much.
Well, it seems like you're going through a lot right now.
Everyone is.
My thoughts on the Super Bowl was it was boring and the outcome was bad.
I thought the Super Bowl was bad.
As a whole, I thought the Super Bowl was, for the most part, kind of uneventful. It was 0-3 for most of it, but eventually the Patriots, of course, took the lead.
My favorite commercial was probably one where the dragon came in and then it was Game of Thrones.
I liked the Hyundai commercial.
I was rooting for the Rams because
the Patriots always keep winning.
Rams, obviously.
I didn't really care.
I was definitely rooting for the Rams. No one likes Tom Brady. Halftime show is pretty garbage, but my man Big Boy came through.
I didn't watch, I just heard there was SpongeBob in it, so.
I think it was extremely disappointing that there was not a lot of SpongeBob.
See, I was really excited when they started playing Sweet Victory, and I thought it was gonna get everyone super hyped, and then the sicko mode just came in and it kind of killed it, and I was disappointed.
Hey Jordan, do you play any sports?
Yeah, actually, I play Fortnite.
How many times do I have to tell you that Fortnite is not a sport?
How?
Just ask the sports host.
What's up, CCA? I'm Sophia, and this is sports. We missed you, Ravens, but don't worry, I'm here to get you caught up on everything sports. Girls soccer took home 2 wins last week against LCC and Mission Hills and tied Torrey Pines on Wednesday at home. Thank you to everyone who came out and showed their support. Today at 3 p.m. is the men's soccer senior game. After the game, there'll be a senior tailgate in the parking lot with free food. Not a senior? We didn't forget about you, underclassmen. Boys basketball is a home game tonight at 7 p.m. The dress-up theme is blackout. They're looking to bounce back after a tough loss against LCC last Wednesday. Girls basketball also lost against LCC and is playing tonight at home at 5:30. Last Monday, girls water polo had a double overtime golden goal win over Westview, but unfortunately lost to Torrey Pines on Thursday. They also lost their first round of CIF game on Tuesday. Congrats on a great season, girls, and we can't wait to see what you do next year. Winter CIFs are here, spring sports are right around the corner, and this is the play of the week. Remember, CCA, if you have a sports highlight that you want featured on the show, be sure to email it to ccatelevision@gmail.com. CCA, I'm so excited to be hosting sports this season. And although I'm alone, your favorite student athletes will definitely be joining me along the way. And I promise, season 19 of sports will be better than Super Bowl 53. I'm Sophia, and next time I promise I'll have a better outro.
Dog, did we just finish our first episode?
I guess we did.
Ooh.
Wait, we're not done actually. We need to come up with the stay blank CCA.
So, like, stay silky CCA.
No. How about, stay you CCA.